former student of mine suggested I might want to make a tutorial on how to create an alpha channel for use in video from a logo. I already have my Premiere open. I have a new sequence and I have some video, which I'll just drag on to here. Come on, it's just, there we go. And there we are. There I am. That's just a video of me. So I'm going to jump over to Photoshop. I have the newest Photoshop. Just came out a couple weeks ago. So here I've got a logo. It's not my logo. I picked one I thought looked cool. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate this layer. I can just go up to the layer palette, just go layer, duplicate layer. I can also use Command or Control J, or I could drag this layer down to that little bent piece of paper. So now that I've got that, turn off the little eyeball. All I need to do is get rid of this white. So I'm going to grab the magic wand. Yes, I said magic wand. It's perfect for this. Going to click, and it's selected all the white. I'm going to hold the Shift key so I can get the little white spots in the different letters, because we don't want that there. And that's pretty easy. Just click and go from there. So those are all set up and ready to rock. Now all I have to do is add a mask, and that's very simple. I'll just go down the bottom of my palette right here, my layers palette, and that little looks like a front loader washing machine. I'll click it, and there you go. Whoops, it's the wrong way. I got the wrong thing. Yes, I knew I did. What I can do before I do this, let's undo this. I could either inverse this selection with Command Shift I. Now all the colors are saved, or I could have easily just put on my little mask like this and then just inverse that, Command I, and there you go. Perfect. That's ready to go. Now because I have the newest version of Photoshop, I can come over here, Control click on my layer, and then we have the quick export to ping as a ping, and I'll just save that to my desktop. Now if I owned the older versions, I can do the same thing. I just don't have it quite as easily. I could throw away this layer and then go under the file, save as a ping, and get the same results. So you don't need the brand newest version to do this in any way. So I'm going to jump over to Premiere and File, Import. I'm going to import my image, which is on my desktop. Import. There it is. And you can see the black, which is indication that it's transparent. Drop it over on top. Video, and you can see that it fits very nicely. It's actually kind of cool. I could do a little more on the white, get rid of some of the white stuff. Now, what if I wanted the light bulb to be filled in? Well, I can jump back to Photoshop, and I can always adjust my mask. So I'll hold my Option key and click. There's my mask, and I can grab a paintbrush. I can either type the word B for brush or just grab one, and I can just paint this in. Paint it in, and that will take care of everything that needed to be white inside here. Takes a few seconds. You know, I'm doing this quickly because nobody likes a 45-minute video, tutorial. And I could leave that the way it is down there, or I could just paint over the top of it as well, if I wanted to get that stuff in there too. Do that. And like I said, no, it's not perfect. It's okay. I'm good with that. Then I can do this again. Control click, export quick, and I'm going to put a little number on here because I've already got a background copy, so I'm going to put background 2 in here and save. There you go. Jump back over to Premiere, and I can import, File, Import, and there you go. Import. And you can see this one's white. If I drop it over, put it right there. So we scrub through, you can see it. You can also see that it's filled in white. So I'm done. Adios, amigos.